Hello folks, today we received two packages over here from shipping receiver German part saver. So two packages we bought for my Mercedes GLK 350, and I will share with you what did I buy and how much I paid for it. So this one right here is for the Bumping brand. It's original brand, and it is actually engine cover. When the dealer take a look, they don't have that cup. They say they're gonna charge me $80 for that cup and to be installed. So basically what we're going to do, I'll show you on the video later. We're not going to install this one, but that's actually a rubberized couple for the back engine. It's actually where the camshaft, there is a hole and I have no cap on it. So I ordered this from eBay, and down below in a link, please look for the description. Again, this is the product right here. And the next hit is another piece of product that I have, is another part that I noticed it is missing on my vehicle. It's actually only one side is missing. The second one is still out there, and that is the spring for the hood. So if you ever lost any of those, you can buy it. And it's actually, to be honest, it's look like an OEM manufacturer. It's really strong plastic. I don't see any difference in between this one and the one I have inside. So I'm going to put two new ones, but we do have actually one installed. Well, that's it. Basically, look for the product down the link, subscribe and share this video, and my wife assistants will gonna put this video on a pause for me. A pause for it. So we are going to install these two springs right now. Pop the hood. You see I have only one right here, and this one is gone. I know, this one is here. Marina, hold on to this one. Hold on strong. So I'm gonna remove this one. I'll show you the difference in between. I know they should come off like easier, so it's like this. Oh, see, yeah, that's probably why. So it's all fall apart because it's dry. So we're gonna remove residue with something else, but let's go there, and we're going to install new ones right here. So I was thinking to show you what's the difference in between. So when the springs work together, so it's the same. I would even say spring is not as tough as the one right there, or maybe it is. Right here, давай. So right here, that's it, snap in, it's all in place. And this one right here, so I have to use some spring remover, and we got that out. So as you can see, there's no difference in between. They are identical. And we're going to use this one right here. Поближе. There you go. Simply snap in and it's in place. Okay, and let's try to close it. Back it up. So away, and there you go. Good horse. Thanks for watching, guys. Everything is not too expensive. My wife's going to show you some more stuff around here, and she's ready to do so. It's a big hammer.
Вау, как красиво.